There we go.
And on we go.
First left-hand drive car driven as well.
Yeah, keep going, keep going. Oh, let's wait for him. Yeah. Yeah, he's going in. So we're coming wide past this cone there, then cutting across the edge so we can do a long sweeping turn in here. So sweeping over a bit more to come round onto that cone, braking there, coming, now cutting in onto the edge, that's it, keeping us straight, now drifting over so this wheel touches there, keeping us in the middle now, keeping us in the middle, coming round, that's it, left wheel over there, left bit more, then going straight on, keeping it straight, now turning in to the cone there, that's good, over there a bit, and then across, and now power on. Fantastic. Really good driving. So coming across, now starting to give it some gas. Coming across. Keep the power on. Keep the power on. Keep the power on. Coming wide, keeping us wide, keeping us wide. Now we can see that cone now, heading up for that cone. We're going to go in the slow lane as we come out of the chicane. And then put a foot down. I'm coming round wide here. Now power on, big lolloping turn round. And keep the power on, keep the power on, that's lovely, easing us over, keep the power on, keep the power on, really good, keep us on a bit more power, aiming at this cone there, over this one, that's great, and left, keep it straight, now turning, really good, feel that holding round that corner there. And yeah, just gone past. Fantastic. Coming round, gently round, coming up, coming over, cutting across, getting on the power now, getting on the power. Trying to keep the power on round here, keep it on, drifting over, keep the power on, really good. Cutting in now towards that cone, that's great. Over to a bit more power now, that's lovely, keep us straight. Now turning round to the right, aiming for this cone, coming across there a bit, over to the right. Now power on, full power. Hey, fantastic driving. Keep it on, keep us going, keep us going, keep it working, that's it. Really good. Keep the power on, cutting across. Left wheel over there, that's good. Keep on the track now, keep on the track. That's good, keeping straight. Now turning. Fantastic, really good. Now get the power on, get the power on. You can get that power on coming out of that corner a little bit earlier.
Okay.
I mean, I know it's pretty instantaneous, but it's just... So we want to work it a bit harder now, so keep the power on, keep the power on. Over to this turning mark, the turning, keeping the power on, drifting across. See how smoothly we're going now. Now coming across, because what we're doing is we're trying to cut out the bends as much as possible. And then it's inevitable here. Just feel how that's holding. Now get the power on, get the power on. Do you see how that held it? That held it down there. Really good. Yeah, this is it. But get the power on, power. Keep it on, keep it on, keep it on, keep it on, fantastic. That's really nice driving. Now keep this straight a little bit longer than you would like, then turn. That's it. Really good. Now on again. You've got a really nice, giving me a really nice feeling of control. In fact, I haven't got my foot by the brake at all, when sometimes you're going round with some people and we can be going slower than this, but your foot's on the brake because you just think this person's out of control, you know. And we're also making on that Ferrari, and he's just doing, he's using muscle power to get him round. So I'd say we're running a bit faster than them, but they're doing it in bursts. He was also braking a lot earlier than you. He was doing it. Yeah.
Wonder if the regenerative brakes help a bit with this one.
Yeah, so the instructor in there is probably just feeling uncomfortable. Really good. Coming up to this marker there, coming across. That's good, keeping it wide. Now coming into the cone. Keep the power on, get the power on, get the power on. Really good. Fantastic. Well, we're going in now.
Okay.
That was brilliant. I mean, those things are fun. I was going to say pull it in there, but yeah, just bring us outside the Aston Martin. Yeah. And leave it there, lovely.